Welcome to the channel. In this video I'm going to share with you our experience of going on a Bosphorus cruise with dinner and entertainment. The ship was quite large actually, it was modern and clean and the staff were really friendly, which was really nice. There is a photographer that goes around, so just beware that they do take photos but they will try and sell them to you. Here's the beautiful blue Bosphorus. It really is gorgeous. It's so clean. It was just wonderful just looking at it. Across the way you can see the Asian side. Onto the food, because dinner is included. All the tables were set out like this for the starters, and had unlimited soft drinks which are included. There was a range of appetizers with cheese, bread and salad. Really delicious actually. I really loved the one that had a bit of carrot in it. That was gorgeous. And everyone's got their own individual portion, so you're not sort of, getting it from a bowl or anything, and all soft drinks, like I said, are included. For our dinner we chose the meat kofte with rice, potato wedges and vegetables. The meat was absolutely gorgeous. It was just an okay dinner. There was nothing wrong with it and I did enjoy it. There was lots and lots of entertainment, so you'll see whirling dervishes and so much more, lots of folk dancing, etc. So I'm going to let you actually watch that with the music. Well, that was absolutely fabulous. All the different dances, they were actually spread out, they didn't all happen together, but that was absolutely fabulous. I really loved the folk dancing. We did decide to go up onto the upper deck to just have a look around and get some decent views of Istanbul, both sides. So we saw the Asian side, which you can see in the background there, and there's one of their massive huge flags that are flying all over Istanbul, and in fact all over Turkey actually. This is the Maiden's Tower, which I did visit, and there will be a video about that as well. But I love the fact that they do all this lighting, and you know, it's like a bit like a light show that comes out of it. It's really, really fabulous. That's just off the coast of the Asian side of Istanbul. Then there was Dolmabahce Palace, which we also visited, and I will be doing a video about that, so watch out for that. But it is absolutely gorgeous and splendid. It really, really is. Look at the size of it, absolutely massive. As we were nearing the end of our cruise, this huge massive tanker just sort of was gliding past our ship. Obviously the Bosphorus is a really, really busy waterway because it links the Black Sea to the Mediterranean, so lots of ships actually go up and down this. But it was actually quite surreal. It was like being in a spy movie or something. I'm leaving you with a beautiful Bosphorus Bridge, which really stands out. And it was a lovely trip. Really enjoyed it. I hope you actually enjoyed this video. Please do like, subscribe, share, and click your notification bell. Look out for my other videos about our trip to Turkey, to Istanbul. You've got Hagia Sophia, and we did the cistern, the water cistern, which is very near to that as well. Anyway, look forward to seeing you next time.